Hey guys, today we're gonna make a secretly healthy brownie. Hey guys, this is Ina with Sita Soul. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a secretly healthy brownie. It's not just your regular brownie, it's a brownie with spinach in it. It's gonna be an amazing treat for entire family, for any holiday, celebration, birthday, but it's also good to have your kids to eat more fresh greens what will be packed into this brownie. So let's get started. So for that we'll need about a cup of raw pecans. Put it in a food processor. First we're gonna pulse them, just enough, few times. Next we will add about a cup of medjool dates. So we will take the pits out. A great sugar replacement, low glycemic index, and if you crave any energy throughout the day, it's good to have those in your pantry and just go for a healthy snack. Next we will add about 1.5 cup of raw cacao powder, about also 1.5 cup of desiccated coconut flakes, about 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, just to have it a nice kick, and a pinch of salt. Always like adding salt to just bring all the flavors out. And this is our most desirable healthy ingredient, raw spinach. We're just gonna pack it in there. And let's pulse it. So after you've been pulsing it for a few times, take a look and take a little ball of your mass and see if it's sticking together. If it sticks together, it's good to go. I'll probably gonna give it a little bit more times to pulse. All right, and that's ready. Now you want to have your baking loaf or any form lined up with parchment paper so it's easier to take it out. I like to use a loaf for that. You can have a regular small cake form as well. So let's take the batter out and we're just gonna take it and put it in the parchment paper. And then just evenly spread out. If you don't have enough, you can just use a half of the baking loaf because I want to have a nice thick texture. All right, just pass it down a little bit. I'll use half of the loaf so it's a little thicker bite, just like that. And to finish it off, I like to add a little bit extra nuts. Amazing for you. It's a good essential fatty acids, extremely good for your health. So we're just gonna press a few macadamia nuts halved in the top of the brownie, just like that. Press it down. It looks like a sticky dough. It'll add a nice crunch when you bite into it. And that's good enough. Now for it to set, I will put it in the freezer, but just for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So when you take it out, it'll be easier to cut in any shape and any size you want. I think we're good. Going into the freezer. All right guys, looks like our brownie is ready. So that's why I use the parchment paper, so it's easy to take it out just like that. And now you can cut it in any slice and shape you want. Here it is. This is our secretly healthy vegan brownie with spinach. All right, let me taste it. This is really yummy. I can taste the crunchiness of shredded coconut and the spinach. So good, so delicious. And the raw macadamia nuts on top, just perfect.
I'm sorry.
Magic. Ta-da!